In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a course on Udemy. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step, so you can follow along and complete this task in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. To start, head over to the Udemy website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the navigation panel. Click on the Instructor tab. This section is dedicated to instructors and is where you manage your courses, so it's a crucial spot for our task today. After clicking on the Instructor tab, you'll be directed to a page titled Instructor Dashboard. Here you'll see various options and statistics related to your courses. What we want to do next is click on the Courses link found in the sidebar. This will take you to a list of all the courses you've created or currently manage. Now, scroll through your list to find the course you wish to delete. Click on the title of the course or the thumbnail image to navigate to the course management page. This section provides details and settings for your specific course. Once here, look for the Edit/Manage Course button. Clicking this will bring up several options you can tweak or adjust, but our focus is on deletion today. After selecting Edit/Manage Course, a new set of options will appear. What you're looking for next is the Settings button. It could be located at the top of the page, so keep an eye out. Clicking Settings will take you to a page filled with various course parameters you can customize. Now, the crucial part. Scroll down the page until you find a section labeled Course Status. This section allows you to change the visibility and availability of your course. Here, you'll find an option to delete. When you click Delete, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. This step is important because deleting a course is irreversible. So make sure that this is definitely the action you want to take. Finally, if you're absolutely sure about deleting the course, go ahead and click Yes on the confirmation prompt. This will remove the course permanently from your list and Udemy platform. And with that, you're done. I hope you found this guide helpful. Deleting a course might seem complex at first, but once you know where to go and what to look for, it becomes straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.